Okay guys, so this is just a little tutorial on how to get your account going on Makebeliefscomix. So when you follow the link from my site, it should bring you straight to this site. And you can instantly start going and creating your comics. But your comics will not save unless you have an account. So what you want to do is click Create Comics. Now you have all these options right here, and there's comic diary, comic strip starters. This personally is where I would start with you guys until you get to know the site a little better. So I would just go to original comic strip starters. Now it gives you some details on how to do that, and then you can just kind of click a starter. Now again, all of these are editable, so you can make them your own. Remember, try to stay away from all the ads so that you don't get caught getting sent to another website. So I'll just click this one right here. And here is the start to my comic. Now you'll notice it says how to save and getting started. And so what you want to do is, before you get going, because you want to make sure that it saves, you want to make an account. You don't want to get, 8 slides in and then accidentally hit the back button and then all of your work be gone. So please start by sign in to save online. Okay, so click sign in to save online, and you can click your username, your password if you have used the site before. If not, and you are using a computer or Chromebook of some sort that is already logged in with your school email, you can click log into Google, or you can just click register. And then it'll tell you to make your username, make your password, and to put your email. So I like to use my Google because I feel that it's just faster and easier. And as you can see, I already had a comic created, and so now, because I logged into my account, I can now see my saved comics. And that is exactly what you have to do, and then you can start creating. Now once you have finished your comic, you can go ahead and send it to me. And how you're going to do that, there are a few different ways, but the way that I feel is the easiest is by taking a screenshot of it, which if you do not know how to do a screenshot, you can go ahead and Google based off of what type of computer you are using, and then you can take that screenshot and upload it into our Google Classroom under our assignment by just attaching it just like you would any other picture. If you are not so sure you want to screenshot, another way you can do is go to print-email, and at the bottom you would scroll down to the bottom and you would see number 3, email. So you can click, you would put your name, your email, and then send it to my email, and then you would just click email comics, and then I will get a link taking me to your comic. Another way is number 2, as you can see right here. If you don't want a screenshot, you can save it, and you can save image to disk, which would just end up saving it. As you can see, it just downloaded right down here to your computer. So it's totally up to you. Those are 3 different ways. My personal favorite is just screenshotting when I finish my comic. Alright guys, I hope that's helpful, and I hope you have fun making your comics.